All right, hey guys, Steve here, I'm back. So in the last video we left off, we had set up income stream number 2, okay? And we were in the back office of Easy One Up, and I highlighted that once you get here, you just set up your account, you watch this video. This video says how to create your Easy One account. It walks you through it. Just watch that video first and you should be able to get everything knocked out. Remember to record your username and your password on a notepad, right? Before you make any purchase, definitely create your free accounts. We can always go back and figure out what's a comfortable spot for you to come in at after we take a look at the different price points and compare it with your total budget that you want to invest in your whole business as a whole. I don't want you to come in and then you buy one thing really expensive, and then think next step you have to buy the next most expensive thing. Like I said, you've already paid for the income funnel to get in, $49 a month or $399 one time annual, and you want to take time to consider what level you want to come in at next, and that's where this mind map shows you. So we're here. We've already made a conscious decision here to come in at the $49 or the $399. Now we still have the rest of our budget that we need to figure out what we want to do on Easy One Up, like we just did in the last video. So now here's the third income stream, which is called Textbot AI, and that's what we're going to go over today. Now briefly, let's take a look at our email that we had here. And what did we say here on the email? Textbot AI is an optional platform. You pay one time, 100% commission, no monthly fees. And if I didn't say it before, the Easy One Up, no monthly fees as well. You pay one time, you own it forever, and that's it. You can sell it over and over and over again, which that is the beauty of owning digital products. So Textbot AI is optional, I say, just create a free account. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop over here to Textbot AI. So let me, let's log out. So you can see what you're gonna go to, what screen you'll go to. Right here, let's go to Textbot AI and let's go to see what we come through. So first, like I said, we'll come here, you'll click here, and there should be a button down here that says click here, and it takes you to Textbot AI. Also, make sure you watch this 2-minute video because he describes exactly what the purpose is of Textbot AI in this funnel. So now, where am I? Yeah, so once you get to Textbot AI, right here. This is the sales page of Textbot AI. Basically, it's $100 one time, and you can make $100 over and over. You'll see my name here as the referrer if you come through the funnel, right? And like I said, if you got any questions, reach out. What you'll do is you'll connect with Ava, log you into the back office. You're going to either see this screen or a different one, but it's both the same. It's just you have different options. And as I said before, these systems are independent, and you can promote Easy One Up by itself. You can promote Textbot AI by itself. So if you ever choose to not promote the multiple income funnel again, you still own Textbot AI and you still own Easy One Up. Okay, those, you always own them and you can always promote them. And I think people forget. Matter of fact, I got to remind some of my downline that they own it and they need to still promote it, right? So anyway, when we go to, so we're back here and we're gonna log into here, right? You're gonna create an account, which is cut and dry, and all you need to do is create your account. But what I wanna show you is this. So when you log in here and you create your account, you make sure you write down information, right? You get your username, and you're gonna be given a phone number once you sign up, make the payment or whatever. Right here, it just shows you how to make $100 over and over again. And this is the most important part I want to show you, and we'll have another training later on, is you want to sign up for the Facebook group for Textbot AI. And I think that's down here somewhere. But they have their own set of trainings, which is totally awesome. So make sure you sign up for the Textbot AI Facebook group. And that's what I should have showed you on the other video for Easy One Up, but I forgot. So anyway, when you set up your account here, this is where you set up your profile. You come to the top right-hand corner and you select profile, right? And as my computer is spinning, All right. It'll show you your TextBot AI. Here's where you put your name, your address, your username. This is the username that you're going to put on your notepad right here, because you're going to need that for the back office of your other program. You can add your photo. You can set up your payment methods, Cash App, Venmo, whatever. And this obviously is after you make the purchase. Your primary business, this is where you'll take your multiple income funnel link from here. Okay. You'll grab one of these links here. I have a different program in the back office right now, but you take this and you put this in your back office for right here, right? And you click save. So automatically when someone emails that number, they'll get a follow-up with that multiple income funnel link. Basically, TextBot AI is a SMS marketing platform that will promote your business. So basically, I'll show you real quick, briefly, how this looks. I have keywords. I have custom keywords built into the back office here. Keywords like solo, FreeBot, IPS direct, giveaway, multiple, level, gas, Dosh, Cash App, whatever. And when those keywords get text to my number, an automatic a reply goes back, right? It triggers the system to send this email here. Here's the only place you need to satisfy your traffic needs, and it's my solo ad service, right? So you text my number solo, and I send you my solo ad business website, right? So that's how that works, right? You program different keywords, you advertise on social media or on cards or business cards or whatever. They call the number and they can email that number, and the system will try to sell itself first. It'll say, hey, how would you like to make $100 a pop, right? And it'll send a link for TextBot itself with your affiliate link. And 24 hours later, it'll follow up with your primary business text, right? So it's promoting two businesses, the marketing system itself and the primary business, which would be multiple income funnel or any other business. Or you can put a rotator in there that rotates between different businesses. It's all about how you want to do it. So anyway, so that is just briefly about what you need to know about that. And that's how you set up that. But like I said, this is an optional, pending payments, none, billing portal. I don't really need that, but this is all optional. Let's go back to the blueprint I put on this email. TextBot AI is optional. You can always upgrade as you increase your income from the different other streams. You can invest a quick $100 in there, get the platform, and your information will already be in the back office of, because I said create a free account, right? Your information will automatically be in the appropriate place in the back office. So when anybody comes through, they're already going to be pegged to you as they come through. That's the key. As you're going through, create your free accounts so that when new people come in, they'll be pegged to you and you'll be teaching these people the same method that I'm teaching you. And it's just the basic plan of how to get started and how to get started comfortably and affordably. Okay, so that's how you set up TextBot AI. Now, also, if you didn't know, there is a TextBot AI group, and what I want to show you is, first I want to show you the Easy One Up group, Easy One Up, because I didn't show you on the last one. It's called Easy One Up Company, and I'll have a link probably below these videos on the page that I'm going to send this to my team with, that just links directly to the Facebook group. But here's the Facebook group for Easy One Up. As you can see, it is active, July 29th. People are responding to different things. You can see some of the same people that are in Easy One Up are in these other groups, right? So it's a tight-knit community. People are in multiple different programs, and you'll recognize a lot of names, okay? And you got Rob. He's my mentor in Easy One Up. So he's telling you, he's advising people to use the training in the back office. So that's Easy One Up. Now the other Facebook group that you need to be a member of is TextBot AI. excuse me, Textbot AI, right? Let's punch that in here. It's called Textbot AI Resellers. This is the other group that you need to be a member of. And as you can see, it's some of the same people up here. And here you'll get activity. You see that Eric Goodlife Johnson, he made over $100,000 already using this one system. Now just imagine you combining it with the MIF funnel. You know, you can promote this inside of that and the multiple income funnel and have 4 income streams, you know, and promoting this one, which is awesome, right? So here's the trainings that go on live in this group. So like I said, once you become a member of the multiple income funnel, and as you're setting up your funnel, make sure you sign up to each one of the Facebook groups, because each group specifically shows you how to promote each of the individual businesses. Okay, the multiple income funnel shows how to promote the multiple income funnel, the whole platform. Textbot AI shows you how to promote just that individual business. And Easy One Up shows you how to promote that individual business. And you can use all the training that you get from all of them to blow up your personal online business, just using the tactics, the strategies, and all the tips. Okay? Be a product of the product. And on the next video, we're going to talk about how to set up the 4th income stream and also how to drive traffic.